Now I'm adding the ackee. This is the part from the strainer that I rinsed off. Rinse it off thoroughly.
It's like
good. So because it's pre-cooked. This ackee that comes in the can is pre-cooked. You know? Nice and buttery. So you don't have to worry about scalding it. Normally if you get the fresh ackee from Jamaica, you have to kind of scald it off. So, you know, cook it. But not cook it to a point where it's mushy. You know? It has to kind of stay whole. Because ackee is a very tricky thing, so you gotta make sure you know, add a little salt, not much, for the taste. Pinch of salt for the taste, not too much. A little black pepper. You mix it in, turn it up. So this is our national dish, ackee and saltfish. This is Jamaica's national dish, ackee and saltfish. What we need now with this is some fried breadfruit.